I just spent 3 weeks testing 15 different ChatGPT alternatives, and one of them literally made me delete ChatGPT from my bookmarks. No cap, the results were actually insane, and I'm about to show you exactly which one won and why. Look, everyone's talking about ChatGPT like it's the only AI that matters, but here's the tea. It's not even close to being the best anymore, and I've got the receipts. And if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe. We post every week. Okay, so let's be real for a second. ChatGPT is everywhere right now. Your mom probably knows what it is, but here's what nobody tells you. ChatGPT has some seriously annoying limitations that are low-key driving people crazy. First, the knowledge cutoff. It's stuck in the past and can't browse the web unless you pay for Plus. Second, those cringe as an AI language model responses that make you want to throw your laptop out the window. And don't even get me started on how it refuses to help with literally anything slightly controversial. Sometimes you just need straight answers without the lecture. So I decided to test every major ChatGPT alternative I could find, and some of these results genuinely shocked me. Let's start with the big names everyone's heard of. First up, Claude by Anthropic. NGL, Claude hits different. I tested it on creative writing tasks, and it absolutely destroyed ChatGPT. Like, not even close. Claude wrote a short story that was so good, I thought a human wrote it. The crazy part? Claude can handle way longer conversations. We're talking 100K tokens versus ChatGPT's measly 8K. That's literally 12 times more context. Next up is Google's Gemini. And okay, I was skeptical because Google has a history of launching AI stuff that's just meh. But Gemini Ultra actually slaps, especially for research tasks. It integrated with Google Search so seamlessly that I felt like I had a personal research assistant. Here's a real example. I asked both ChatGPT and Gemini to research the latest developments in renewable energy. ChatGPT gave me outdated info from 2021. Gemini pulled current data from 2025 and even included recent news articles. But wait, the best part is coming up, because I found some hidden gems that are absolutely game changers. Okay, this is where things get spicy. There are ChatGPT alternatives that barely anyone talks about, but they're low-key incredible. First one is Perplexity AI. This thing is basically ChatGPT mixed with Google, and it's honestly addictive. Every answer comes with sources and citations. No more wondering if the AI is just making stuff up. I tested it by asking complex questions about current events. Perplexity not only gave perfect answers, but showed me exactly where it got the information. That's transparency. ChatGPT could never. Then there's Character.ai. Now hear me out. I know it sounds gimmicky, but for specific use cases, it's actually insane. You can create AI characters that stay in character no matter what. I created an AI coding mentor that talks like a senior developer. It gave me better programming advice than ChatGPT because it maintained that expertise persona throughout our entire conversation. If this is helpful so far, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. All right, enough talking. Let me show you the actual tests I ran and the results that made me question everything. Test 1. Coding assistance. I gave each AI the same Python problem and asked them to solve it. ChatGPT gave me working code but with zero explanation. Claude explained every line and suggested optimizations. Gemini actually caught a potential security vulnerability ChatGPT missed. Test 2. Creative writing. I asked each one to write a product description for a fake startup. ChatGPT's was fine but generic. Claude's was so good it sounded like a professional copywriter wrote it. Gemini added market research insights I never even asked for. Test 3. The controversial stuff. I asked each AI to help me understand both sides of a political debate. ChatGPT gave me the usual "I can't take sides" response. Claude provided balanced perspectives without the lecture. Gemini actually provided historical context that made everything click. Here's what nobody talks about though. Pricing. ChatGPT Plus costs $20 monthly. Claude Pro is also $20, but Gemini Advanced comes with 2 TB Google storage for the same price. That's actually insane value. Okay, moment of truth. After testing everything, here's my honest ranking. For general use, Claude wins hands down. It's more helpful, less preachy, and handles complex tasks better than anything else I tested. For research and current events, Gemini takes the crown. That Google integration is just too good to ignore. For specific niches, Perplexity for fact-checking and charactered AI for role-playing scenarios. And ChatGPT? Honestly, it's still solid for basic tasks, but it's not the king anymore. The competition has caught up, and in many cases completely surpassed it. The secret sauce is using different AI tools for different tasks instead of relying on just one. That's how you actually level up your productivity game in 2025. Look, here's the honest truth. You don't need to pay for all of these. Most have free tiers that are actually pretty generous. My recommendation? Try Claude first if you're coming from ChatGPT. The transition is smooth and you'll immediately notice the difference in response quality. Then experiment with Gemini for research tasks and Perplexity when you need verified information. All right, that's a wrap on this deep dive into ChatGPT alternatives. But I need to know, which AI tool are you most excited to try after watching this? Drop a comment and let me know because I read every single one. And if you found this helpful, smash that subscribe button because next week I'm testing the newest AI image generators. And spoiler alert, DALL-E isn't winning anymore. Catch you in the next one.